Okay, he's got a new mobile. I think he sees him. Yeah. Can you see that? Oh, now you're looking at the wall. We got basketball and a football and a soccer ball and the darn hiccups. Oops. Oops. I can't tell if he's really watching it or... Okay. You'll be playing all those games soon.